Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in hydrocarbon chapter. Now let us see the first question in the chapter. See the first question. The alkane that gives only one monochloro product on chlorination with Cl2 in presence of diffuse sunlight is dash. Option A 2,2 dimethylbutane. Option B neopentane. Option C N-pentane. Option D isopentane. See the next one. Second question. Hydrocarbon A reacts with bromine by substitution reaction to form an alkyl bromide, which by Wood's reaction is converted into gaseous hydrocarbon containing less than 4 carbon atom A. So we have to find out what is that hydrocarbon. We have to find out. Okay. So when it undergoes Wood's reaction, the carbon atom will be somewhat less. That one we have to find out. Okay. So option A CH11CH. Option B CH211CH2. Option C CH3 single bond CH3. Option D CH4. Next one. Third one. The most suitable reagent for the following conversion is dash. CH3, this is called, butane, butane, becomes, cis 2-butene. So, alkyne becomes alkene. Okay, but we are getting only cis isomer. Okay, so what kind of reagent we can put? Okay, which one convert this into that? They're asking. Option A, mercurous ion in presence of acid, H2O. B, sodium in liquid ammonia. Option C, H2 palladium in presence of charcoal or in presence of quinoline. Option D, zinc in presence of HCl. See the fourth question. Reactions of HBr with propene in presence of peroxide gives dash. Option A, isopropyl bromide. Option B, 3-bromopropane. Option C, allyl bromide. Option D, N-propyl bromide. Next one. Question number 5. Which is maximum stable? That's the question. So they are given some alkene. Option A, 1-butene. Option B, cis 2-butene. Option C, trans 2-butene. Option D, all have same stability. Next one. Sixth one. 2-bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide in ethanol. The major product obtained is dash. Option A, trans 2-pentene. Option B, 1-pentene. Option C, 2-ethoxypentane. Option D, 2-cis-pentene. Next one. Seventh one. In the following reaction, this is called propane on heated in presence of iron tube at 873 Kelvin to get common A. In common A, we have to find out number of sigma bond present in it. Okay. So they ask option A 21, option B 9, option C 24, option D 18. So students, these are the 7 questions. The answer will be given in the next session. Thank you.